Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today in my hand a beautiful TWSBI fountain pen. So I got it from my best friend from nowadays. So you see this is this is butter. My friend holding this and he puts butter on this, and this is butter is both TWSBI. Now let's jokes apart. So let's open the box and check what is in it. And firstly, see this. This here TWSBI made in Taiwan, and this is the number of pen. So firstly, I have got this manual how to use, how to service of this pen. So keep it aside and let's reveal the pen. Wow, this is beautiful TWSBI diamond 580. So let's keep aside, and the bottom of the box, right, TWSBI beautiful pen made in Taiwan. So let's open the box. So this is a pen. Wow, TWSBI diamond 580. So let's, wow, so this is a new old stock pen, never inked and inked almost once to check how the pen writes. So top of the cap of finial has a beautiful diamond kind shape of finial, and this is a very beautiful translucent pen. The original TWSBI fine nib, and right TWSBI, and back side diamond 580 Taiwan. So this is a very beautiful pen. It has an inbuilt piston like this system, and the quality is very premium, not a cheap like Chinese pen, but this has a very premium quality. I like this. Some people don't like TWSBI because TWSBI are the translucent pens. Anyhow, I like this. So I like to write something. So I only dip this pen for now. Let's dip this. So let's see how the pen writes. So what we have, sorry, wait, yeah, what we have TWSBI 580 diamond, oh my god, yeah, beautiful diamond pen. So ignore my handwriting for now, this is only my rough writing. So let's write my name. Wait, yeah, let's write something. So I'm Praminder Singh, your host. I love this pen. Very beautiful. It has a nice feedback, not a scratchy but nice feedback. I like this type of feedback. So this is the pen. I hope you like my video, friends. If you like, kindly subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.